Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Let's understand about how the fasting can decrease the obesity. So let's understand about that. So obesity means the fat accumulation in your abdomen, the fat accumulation throughout your body. So in this way, you can improve and decrease the fat and improve the muscle with the fasting. So the fasting is too much important. So fasting basically improve the muscle while decrease the fat. How it is possible? Let's understand about the story. So basically the fasting, whenever you will be fast, in this way even the basically the low level of the energy basically due to the mitochondrial dysfunction will be improved due to the biogenesis of mitochondria by the activation of the PGC1 alpha, which that prepare the mitochondria due to the deprivation of the nutrient condition, and the ADP ratio ATP increase will lead to activate the AMPK pathway in the cell, will lead to activate the certain type of gene for the biogenesis of the mitochondria. In this way, increase the ATP production will lead to consume that all fat through beta oxidation, and that is the fasting process. But the fasting is a lot more benefit, like the fasting will buffer the insulin. In this, the insulin will not increase, while the prolonged fasting will increase the cortisol hormone. The cortisol hormone basically spikes the insulin, but that is the different topic we will understand in the different another video. So basically the normal fasting, 16 to 20 hours fasting is too much important. In this way, you can spike the growth hormone, and the growth hormone is important for the biogenesis of the mitochondria. On the other hand, the growth hormone will target to the adipose tissue, lead to breakdown of the fat, and in this way the HCl, the hormone sensitive lipase enzyme activity increase will lead to breakdown of the fat, and the fat go into the blood circulatory system in the form of the free fatty acid and the glycerol, which that go into the liver, and the liver will produce too much cholesterol, and extra cholesterol will be excreted through bile, while the beneficial cholesterol is important, which that basically during the fasting the cholesterol level will be high, triacylglycerol also high, the fat, the low density lipoprotein will be high, but it is normal. With the passage of time it will be recovered, because the extra low density lipoprotein will be excreted in the form of bile pigment. While on the other hand, important thing is that the extra low density lipoprotein will convert into the sugar to provide energy in your brain in the form of glucose through gluconeogenesis in the liver. But important thing is that the ketones production will increase due to the fasting, and the ketones basically provide the energy to the brain, because brain love to the ketones and the efficient production of energy, and in this way the ketone is very healthy. Anyhow, this is the important thing about the fat loss, and in this way the fasting can decrease the fat. So due to the growth hormone increase, insulin buffering, while the glucagon also release, the glucagon release due to the buffering of the insulin, and glucagon also decrease the fat, and in this way the epinephrine also decrease the fat, and that all these things will release due to the fasting. So basically the epinephrine, the glucagon and the growth hormone collectively decrease the fat while they grow your muscle, because the growth hormone increase the insulin like growth factor 1 for the glucose metabolism, and in this way the glycogen deposition in the muscle and the liver will be possible due to the insulin like growth factor 1, and that trigger due to the growth hormone during the fasting time. And in this way your glycogen will not deplete, while glycogen will maintain, while on the other hand the fat will be burned due to the insulin buffering. While on the other hand the growth hormone also target to the liver to increase the insulin and growth factor 1 for biogenesis of the bones is known as the osteogenesis. In this way the growth of the bone, growth of the muscle due to the insulin and growth factor 1, due to the fasting which that spike the insulin and growth factor 1 due to the spike of the growth hormone. In this way your body will grow, and in this way the storing of the protein in your body will maintain due to the growth hormone and insulin like growth factor 1, while the degradation of the fat will trigger due to the growth hormone. So important thing is that in this way spike of the growth hormone due to the fasting is very important, will lead to cause fat loss. So fat will be lost easily. But another factor also decrease the fat, but we will understand in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. For this, bye. Allah Hafiz.